Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be doing my weekly setup in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. The Stalogy is in this cover. The color is called Raspberry. It is from MLG Co. And this is what it looks like. I still need to tighten the elastic. I'll be using some of these washi flake stickers that were sent to me in Happy Mail. I also have a kit here from Isis Ella Jewels, the December jewel box, and I have this washi from Simply Gilded. And I think I'm going to do daily pages this time instead of the week on 2 pages. So let's get into it. So this is last week's spread. Not much happening during the week. I did use this sticky note that blends in so well from STICKEYS. Maybe I won't do daily pages. Maybe I'll do 2 days per page. That's something we haven't done. Let's try that and see how it goes. I just used this washi on another spread, but I want to use it again. So let's go for it. I'm going to use this swirly washi up here at the top. So that would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that's going to work. Let's do the bottom washi. And I know we're in fall, but I really want to use this kit. So we're gonna not worry about what season it is and just decorate the pages. Okay, so now let's divide the page in half. That's gonna be about here. And I'll use this washi. And let's see. Let's do the footer on this page. Okay, it's getting kind of complicated to work in this book. I don't know if I'm going to make it through December. It would be nice to switch to a new Stalogy and just do December through whenever it's full. But we'll see. That is so incredibly crooked. I am going to just add some extra washi in the middle areas. Let's use some of the green up here. So now let's go ahead and do the days of the week. Let us find some dates. Not quite the right color green. And I need to date this from November 8th through the 14th. Let's see what it looks like before I say no. Because these are more like a lime colored green. But it could work. I'm gonna use them. Why not? Let's go for it. I am going to use I might want to save her for the weekend. So I'm going to put her here. And then I'm going to put this Lily sticker. She's going to go right here. Where should she go? Right here. I'm going to put her over here. Yes. Okay, so we've got some of this giant greenery from CHELA Creates. Here's some smaller versions. So I want to see if I can use some of these as well. So let's see if we can use some of these. Some of these are so light. I'm not sure that they will even work if I can actually get them off of the backing. That's enough playing with the washi stickers. These are hard to use because they are hard to pull off of the backing. I'm going to use this sticker somewhere. let's use some of my word stickers. So let's start with this book. And I already know laundry day. It's going to be on Saturday. Then let's see, trash day. Plan this week. Let me look in here because I feel like I'm missing something. Let's get a green trash can for recycle day. I'm going to use one of the pink ones. Use this week sticker here. I think that is it for this setup. So this is different, something we haven't done, at least I don't remember doing it. A week on 4 pages in the Stalogy. I'll see how this goes and we'll see if I want to continue it next week. Let's zoom in a little bit. So this is what it looks like. And then this is the other section. Okay, so that is it. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded, a kit from Isis Ella Jewels, the jewel box. I used the greenery from CHELA Creates, the large pieces, and then the small washi greenery is Happy Mail that I received from Yolanda. The This Week sticker and the trash cans are from Crafting by the Pound, and the script stickers are from Piper Paper Company. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.